Fed revealed 150 XRP will secure your retirement in 2 years. XRP to $50,000. The Securities and Exchange Commission has announced that it will almost double the number of personnel who will monitor the cryptocurrency market, bringing the number of people in the division to 50 people. The increase in the number of employees indicates that the SEC is seeking to further control and regulate the crypto industry, which has caused negative criticism from the crypto community. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. The crypto division will focus on crypto asset offerings, crypto exchanges, crypto lending products and much more, which many fear could stifle innovation in this area. The reason the SEC cites for this is that it needs to protect investors from market manipulation and fraud, which are common in the industry. However, the boundary of what the SEC considers permitted and what is prohibited is still very unclear at the moment, as many critics point out. Potentially, this could lead to a situation where the SEC will pursue everything that, in its opinion, is bad, since the government has not passed the relevant laws. SEC member Hester Peirce also expressed her opinion on the news and said that she is against the SEC's initiative to hire 20 more people to this cryptography enforcement squad. Peirce says the SEC shouldn't be a law enforcement agency and should be more focused on setting clear rules. She believes that enforcement should be left to enforcement units that can properly do the job, but not the SEC. In this case, it becomes clear that even within the SEC there is opposition to the policy being pursued. CoinDesk reported earlier, SEC Chairman Gary Gensler had previously indicated in September that he had plans to expand the division's staff. Peirce, who is called a crypto mama by many in the industry for her expertise in cryptocurrencies, has been a longtime opponent of Gensler's tough approach to regulation. Gensler did not want to share details about how crypto companies can comply with the rules, instead preferring to regulate through coercive measures. Member of the House of Representatives Tom Emmer, Republican from Minnesota, co-chairman of the Congressional Blockchain faction, who previously criticized the excessive regulation of cryptocurrencies, seemed to support Peirce's opinion by retweeting her tweet. Responding to a question on Twitter, Peirce also said that she did not participate in the intergovernmental group created by the decree of U.S. President Joe Biden on cryptocurrency, issued in March. As mentioned earlier, even members of Congress are now putting pressure on the SEC in response to their excessive regulation of cryptocurrencies. Lawyer and cryptography expert Jeremy Hogan believes that Ripple has finally taken off the gloves in its legal standoff with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC sued Ripple in late 2020, alleging that the payment firm sold XRP as an unregistered security. Recent quarrels in the lawsuit have centered around documents concerning former SEC Director William Hinman, who Ripple claims had a conflict of interest during his involvement in the initial stages of the lawsuit. Hinman also gave a speech in 2018 in which he stated that Ethereum, ETH, is not a security. Federal Judge Sarah Net-Byrne first ordered the SEC to prepare emails relating to the speech in January, but the SEC challenged the order. Net-Byrne rejected the challenge and ordered the SEC to hand over the requested drafts and emails last month, although she provided clarifications. The SEC then requested additional time to file an objection to Net-Byrne's decision to cancel their call. Hogan tells his 207,400 Twitter followers that Ripple is strongly calling for delay tactics in the new response. Finally, I feel like Ripple has taken off the gloves and is talking about how ridiculous the SEC's judicial tactics related to the Hinman emails are. The judge may still allow a harsh response, but at least Ripple is strongly calling for delay tactics. Hogan also notes that Ripple doesn't seem to be thinking about leaving the U.S. based on a new San Francisco Business Times report that says the payment company has leased a new headquarters building in the city. Judge Sarah Net-Byrne granted the request of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to file a brief response, despite the fact that a day earlier Ripple sent a letter to the court asking the judge to reject this request. The question concerns the ongoing dispute over the documents to William Hinman's speech, which the SEC is doing its best to protect from the public. Recall that this response must be filed to the yet-to-be-filed response from Ripple's lawyers, and concerns the SEC's attorney-client confidentiality claims regarding Hinman's speech documents. This is a new argument of the SEC, in which they claim that these documents are protected by attorney-client privilege. All this extends the pre-trial stage of the study, discovery, until May 18, although this phase should have been completed on August 10, 2021. This update, as well as the rest of the others, was announced on Twitter by lawyer James Phelan, who is monitoring the case and commenting on what is happening to his subscribers. The order was issued in text order. #XRP community #SEC.gov. #Ripple #XRP in a text-only order. Magistrate Judge Ned Byrne has granted the SEC's request to file a reply brief in connection with the SEC's attorney-client privilege claims regarding the Hinman speech documents. The SEC's reply is due by May 18, 2022. Many people notice that the court almost always satisfies the SEC's requests for extensions. On the other hand, as one of the commentators noted, the court may want to deal with this issue once and for all after hearing all the arguments of the plaintiff. Clever move by Judge Ned Byrne, grant it to review it and then decline it to show she has give them every opportunity and her decision is still the same. At the end of April, the SEC filed a motion to renew its contention that attorney-client confidentiality protects internal documents related to a speech by Bill Hinman, delivered on June 14, 2018, by the then director of the SEC's Corporate Finance Division. Quote, according to James K. Phelan, Ripple's defendants requested a delay until May 13. This extension is a response to new SEC allegations regarding the emails of a former SEC official. Amid tensions at the SEC, Ripple has released a report on its results for the first quarter of 2022. The report points to healthy growth of XRP, despite the ongoing struggle with the SEC, as well as macroeconomic and geopolitical obstacles. In this quarter, a record growth of ODL, liquidity on demand, was recorded by 8 times compared to last year. RippleNet also marked a new milestone by touching on $15 billion in annual payments with ODL customers for multiple use cases. In this quarter, another change was noticed, aimed at improving performance. XRP Ledger implemented cross-bridge integration with multi-chain and Allbridge, which allowed XRP holders to move their assets into 12 blockchains. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.